Hey, great job getting your work done. There is a fascinating game that I have found. It's kind of like tic-tac-toe. This is a game from ancient Rome, and there's a couple places you can play it online. So I'm going to give you the links here in a moment, but first, a quick tutorial on how to play. So you're going to play the white pieces against the darker brown pieces, and you start by placing your pieces on the board. There's kind of two parts to the game. So you're trying to get 3 in a row all the way through the game. So you want to get 3 in a row and not let your opponent get 3 in a row. Anytime that you get 3 in a row, you get to take one of your opponent's pieces off the board. So here I'm just putting pieces out. You don't want to get them too close together. You want to leave, they're going to be able to move one space. So you want to leave a little bit of open spaces for them. And kind of get your pieces spread around. I don't know. I am not a pro at this game yet. I just found it today. But it is pretty fun. Oh, I don't want to let them get 3 in a row there. Let's see, I have 2 pieces left to put on the board. Oh, I don't want to let them get 3 in a row there, and they don't want me to get 3 in a row here. So I chose playing against the computer. I'm not sure what happens if you choose to play against a real life person, if it matches you up or if you have to have somebody there. So that's something you might experiment with if there's more than one of you who gets to play the game on the same day. Let's see. I'll go there. So you can see this could get to 3 in a row here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to move pieces. So if you click on one of your pieces, it'll highlight where you can move it to. There's one time where if you can move here, you can move it across the board there. I'm not quite sure when that happens. I haven't figured that one out yet. So let's see. Can I get 3 in a row here? You can get 3 in a row any direction, but it has to be following the lines. So if I move this one over here. Now it's the other term. Yep, they're going to block that way. If I move that one out here, I'm going to try to get 3 in a row down here. All right. Now, the other player is trying to get 3 in a row down here, but see, I have this yellow line. That's called a mill, and now I have 3 in a row, so I can take one of the other person's pieces off of the board. So they have one less piece now. And the same thing would happen if the other person got a 3 in a row. So the goal is to get it so your opponent cannot move anywhere, so they are all trapped in one spot, or so that they have only 2 pieces left. So far, I've only made it so they only have 2 pieces left. But like I said, I just found the game today. So I'll put a link in the notes here. And there's 2 different sites. I'll put links to both of them just in case one is blocked at school. Have fun. Let me know how it goes.